What up, motherfuckers? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Got these burgers. I'm only doing one. I already took it out. It's already in the pan. But look, $5 for two. Mark down to that. Yeah. Already doing it up. These are pretty friggin' thick. Look at that. So I'm doing 5 minutes aside. And we'll be good to go. And I got bacon for it too. Yeah, this is that Trader Joe's bacon. The cheap shit, which is still pretty fucking good. There's that burger now. There was also cheese in there, so that's kind of seeping out a little bit. About to create this burger. Watch. Got the nice toasty bun right here. Stacking that meat. Got the burger, got the bacon. We got the cheese, so gonna warm that up. Melt that. And there we go. Because who really wants a hamburger? Like, you gotta have cheese on there, you know? Just, it's pointless not to have cheese on your burger. Unless you're allergic or something. Too bad for you guys. And then onions, of course. It's me. I freaking love onions. And some cilantro. Check that out, you guys. And then, of course, ketchup and mustard. And there we go. That's how I would do it. That's how I did do it. You just watch me friggin' do it. Okay, I'm gonna try it. And there you go. Pretty well done in there. Looking delicious. Look at that. Down the hatch, motherfuckers. Delicious. Guys. Man, this is so easy. So cheap. Just gotta look out for those deals, you know? Yeah. Look at that. Man, alright, guys. Thanks for checking back. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Have a great night. Watch one of these videos on screen that YouTube pops up. And have a great friggin' night. I'll see you next time. Peace.